Walgreens here. Lane 2, speeds are about 50. Lane 1. Positive on sticks. We're still in eastbound on Capitol. He's entering the right lane. Traffic is heavy, no pedestrians. Speeds are like 30. Continuing eastbound on Capitol. He's got a back left and possibly front right flat. Still eastbound on Capitol. Passing the Christian bookstore. Speeds are about 30. Continuing eastbound, speeds are about 60. Traffic is about medium, no pedestrians, roads are dry. Reason for stop, retail theft. They're flat, but no sparks yet. Just went through the red at 100th Capitol. We're in the lane number 2, eastbound on Capitol, passing 98th. Speeds are about 60. It's starting to smoke now. That car's in the end left hard. It's smoking real bad now. Eastbound on Capitol, passing 9-2. Speeds are 60. Traffic is light to medium. Roads are dry. No pedestrians. Reason for stop, retail theft. Rubber is flying everywhere right now. This car is gonna have to stop pretty soon. We're slowing down to about 35 miles per hour on 87th Street. North on 87th from Capitol. This thing's about to collapse here. Continuing north on 87th. They just lost most of a tire. They're slowing down on Febrance here. East on Febrance from 87th. They're slowing down. Continuing east on Febrance, approaching 86th. East on Febrance, passing 86th. Roads are dry, no pedestrians. Speeds are about 40. They lost most of their driver's rear tire. Blew the stop at 84th. In Febrance, they just lost another tire. Up to A2, north on A2 from Febrance. I'm right on them. Speeds are about 30, 35. No traffic, no pedestrians, roads are dry. Continuing northbound. East on Hope from 82. Speeds are still about 25, 30. Coming up to 80th here. East on Hope, blew the stop at 80th and Hope. Speeds are now 45. They're really have like 2 tires now. Passing 79th on Hope. Still eastbound. Coming up to the stop at 78th and Hope. Blew that stop sign. Speeds are getting up to 40. Passing 77th, or Potomac rather. We're approaching... Stand by. We're now northbound. They're really smoking, slowing down. 30 miles per hour. Coming up to Congress here, northbound. Continuing north through Congress. Speeds are picking up to about 55, 6. We're passing Ruby. Portland, still westbound. Sorry about that. Coming up to Hampton here. Someone's hanging out the back window here. They're back inside the vehicle. Passing Hampton. Coming up to Grand Hills here. Passing Stark Street, speeds are about 70. Again, they have about 2 functional tires. Passing Fairmount Ave, speeds are 70. Traffic is light to medium, roads are dry, no pedestrians. Passing Lancaster Ave. Still continuing westbound here. Passing Villard.
Don't